Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make egg drop ramen soup. Today we need Shin ramen. We're gonna use only ramen noodles, not soup base. I told you that if you buy Shin ramen at Costco or Sam's Club, if you buy one box, it's like $16. So one package is like $1. It's a pretty good deal. Even though you don't use soup base, you can enjoy chewy Korean ramen noodle. Green onions, 2 eggs, soup soy sauce. If you don't have soup soy sauce, you can use just regular soy sauce. You need one of these, the mushroom bouillon powder or chicken stock powder. I'm gonna use this today. If you wanna taste exactly like restaurant egg drop soup, you have to have this mushroom bouillon powder. If you go to H Mart or other Asian market, this is just $5, and one of this you can buy from Asian market. We need starch, salt, black pepper, and sesame oil. Please cut vegetables. You can add vegetables you like mushrooms, cabbages, and mix egg yolk and white well, and then half spoon of starch mixed with water. Please add 2.5 cup of water to the pan. Add half spoon of mushroom bouillon powder or chicken stock powder, then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add ramen noodles. We're gonna use only ramen noodles, not soup base. Please add ramen noodle. We're gonna cook semi-hard, and please take them out. And then we are going to add eggs. You can spread all over to the pan and leave it there until they are cooked, and then mix a little bit when they are cooked. And then you can add some starch to adjust viscosity, and it's up to you. And add green onions on the bowl, and then add egg drop soup. And then add some sesame oil, black pepper, salt as a garnish. Looks great. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.